Eid Mubarak to everyone except the dude who said I look like a hairy chandelier. Bro, I missed the takbirs. Do they let you pray solo in the parking lot? Eid cut secured. If I don't get compliments after prayer, I'm spinning the block again.
If you don't smell me from 2 blocks away, it's not real Eid.
I've been ready since Fajr, and they're still fighting about shoes. Bro, just pick a sandal and go.
Uncle, move left? No, you're left. Bro, someone hold La Boo Boo.
Imagine praying Eid Salah and ending up washing 97 plates.
I did my salams. I ate. I'm done. It's escape arc time.
Damn. That uncle is stingy.